Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says a 5 ampere current is passed through a solution of zinc sulfate for 40. Zinc deposited at the cathode is option A 0.4065 gram, B 65.04 gram, option C 40.65 gram, opशन डी 4.065 ग्राम। तो चलिए आप देखते हैं। तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये क्या की कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा? की कॉन्सेप्ट इज Faraday's law of electrolysis। ठीक है, अब व्हाट इज फैराडेज लॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस? तो चलिए देखते हैं। इट इज मास ऑफ द मास ऑफ अ substance deposited or liberated at an electrode which is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the solution। ये है Faraday's laws of electrolysis, which is directly proportional. The mass of the substance deposited or liberated is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the solution। तो अब चलिए फॉर्मूला देखते हैं। तो फॉर्मूला क्या है? मास is equals to, that is m equals to q into m divided by n into f। ठीक है, अब q क्या है आपको पता है? q is the quantity of electricity passed in coulomb, m is the molar mass of substance। Okay, so this m and mass of the unknown we have to calculate। n is the valency of the ion, number of electrons gain हुआ कि loss हुआ per ion, f equals to Faraday's constant 96500 coulombs per mole। ठीक है, given is current is given, that is 5 ampere, time is given 40 minutes, but 40 minutes into 60 seconds you have to convert in seconds because it's the SI unit। molar mass of zinc we know, the molar mass we know, but the amount of zinc we don't know। molar mass of zinc is right। zinc equals to 65.38 gram per mole। time t, molar mass, this is capital M of equals to 40 into 60 seconds equals to 2400 seconds। Valency of zinc is 2 plus 2, valency of Zn 2 plus equals to 2। Okay, and current is given, current is 5 ampere। Okay, current is given, but हमें quantity of electricity निकालना है, so Q निकालना है। तो Q is basically I into T। So I have to write this I, so 5 ampere into 2400 seconds, which is equals to 12000 coulombs. ठीक है, अब मास ऑफ जिंक डिपॉजिटेड क्या है? स्मॉल m इक्वल्स टू, क्या फॉर्मूला था? इस फॉर्मूला में हमें पुट करना है। ठीक है, चलिए करते हैं। इस 12,000 कूलम इंटू 65.38 ग्राम पर डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 96500 कूलम पर मोल, तो क्या हो जाएगा? अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल्स टू 4.065 ग्राम। ठीक है, so therefore the amount of zinc deposited at the cathode is this one. So इसको टैली करते हैं, तो this is basically option D. So our final answer is option D. So 4.065 gram. Hope you have understood. Best of luck.